Now we will see PHP data types. PHP data types are used to hold different types of data values, mainly to hold different data values like integer values, string values, and so on. We use data types. So here it supports 8 primitive data types that can be categorized into 3 types. So here mainly it supports 8 data types. Again, it can be categorized into this 8 data types can be categorized into 3 types. First one is scalar or predefined types. Next one compound or user defined data types. Next one special types. Again, in this one, scalar or predefined data types, it can be categorized into data types like boolean, integer, float, and string. Okay, we will see one by one. Boolean, integer, float, and string. Again, next compound or user defined data types. In the user defined data types, we have array data type. Okay, next one, special data types. In the special data types, we have object, resource, null. If you observe here, completely 8 data types. 8 data types are categorized into 3 types. First, we will see scalar types. In the scalar types, it holds only single value. Okay, there are 4 scalar data types in PHP. Boolean, integer, and float, string. So here boolean means, as we know, it holds only values like true or false. For example, generally this will be used in a conditional statement if of true. Okay, or you can write one also. So one PHP program I am taking, less than question mark PHP. Generally this boolean can be written in the conditional statement like if you want to write within a if of true, or one also you can mention. If of true means it will print, I am printing some statement like echo this condition is true. If statement is closed here. Again, if of false means again echo this condition is false. This if statement is closed here. Again this PHP is closed here. So here if obviously it will take 1. If of true means it is going to be printing this condition is true. Okay, so it holds either true or false boolean, and generally this can be used with the conditional statement. If in your examination PHP data types appears, you need to write all these 3 categories. For each category you need to write the program is mandatory. Okay, so next category is integer. Integer means it holds only the numeric data within a negative or positive sign. If you did not mention any sign means by default it will consider as a positive, and it doesn't accept any decimal points like 2.4 like that. It doesn't accept. Integer can be it may be a decimal or octal or hexa or binary. Okay, base 10, base 8, base 16, base 2, and so on. For example, integer ranges lies between, if you want to, you take down this number. Next we will see one simple program for integer PHP, same within the less than question mark PHP, and I'm using some variables. To hold the decimal value, I am using D variable. $D is equal to some number. Any numbers you can take. $O. So for example, to store the octal value, I am using O. Okay, this is not 0. This is O. Otherwise, you can take any name. $A is equal to octal means it have the ranges between 0 to 7. Any numbers. So here 0, 2, 4, 3 I am taking. Next one. To store the hexadecimal number, I am using some variable name H. I am using. $H is equal to hexadecimal number always starts with a 0x. Okay, after that you can write any number. Next I am going to be printing these numbers. Echo decimal number is comma $D. Echo octal number is comma $A. Okay, echo hexadecimal number is comma $H. If I print, what are the values you will get means decimal number is 24. Okay, octal number 163 you will get. How you will get this 163 means this will be converted into octal. Okay, decimal to octal. This is nothing but a decimal. This will be converted into octal. So here 0 into 8 power 0 into 8 power 0 into 3, 8 power 1 into 4, 8 power 2 into 2, 8 power 3 into 0. Same thing I have written here, so that after this you will get 163. So on the output you will get 163. Hexadecimal means you are converting this decimal to hexadecimal. So here 0x45 means 16 power 0 into 5 plus 16 power 1 into 4. So that you will get 69. So you will get the output as a 69. This is about the integer. Next one, float. Float holds the number with a decimal point. As we know, float holds the decimal with a new number with a decimal point. If any number is having some decimal point, then we use it as a float. Okay, for example, dollar question, for example, less than question mark PHP, dollar x is equal to some float number, dollar y is equal to some float number. For example, I want to add these two numbers. So dollar x plus dollar y. So that you will get addition of these two, which is nothing but a 110.05. Okay. Next we will see string. So here in the PHP, all the variables, if you observe here, this is loosely coupled. You no need to mention int, like that we don't write. Just we write variable name and we store some integer value. Okay. So if you are storing integer number means it is holding integer values, means it is integer data type. Okay, and so on. Next one, string. String means non-numeric data type. String is nothing but to holds any letters, alphabets, special characters. We use a string data type. We use string. String values enclosed in a single quotes or double quotes. String values can be enclosed in a single or double quotes. Both are treated as a differently. Okay, we will see with example. So here less than question mark PHP, dollar x is equal to hello. So here if you observe here, this x is a variable. It is holding the string, okay, within a double quotes, and you are printing some statement echo. Within a double quote, I am writing that good morning, comma, dollar x. Good morning, comma, dollar x. This double quotes I am closing here, semicolon. Okay. Next, echo for break purpose. Means for the next line, I am using break tag. I am using within a double quotes. So here, echo, again same I am using within a single quotes. Echo, single quotes, good morning, dollar x. If you observe here, first statements will, this statement will be executed. Good morning, comma, dollar x. So within a double quotes means x value it will consider. Good morning, hello it will consider. Okay, next line low, next line it will go for the next line. Next, echo, good morning, dollar x. Single quotes are there. Single quotes means what? It doesn't hold the x value. As it is, whatever you have written on the single quote, that will be directly taken. Okay, good morning, dollar x, it will print like this. Okay, this is about the data types. We have seen scalar data types. In the next session, in the next video, we will see the compound data types. Please subscribe to my channel.